Welcome to Be More Lifestyle. Now, here's your host, Brandy Proctor and Katie Rose.
All right, welcome back. Well, you're going to hear it from now until it's a new year, so why not make it a new you? One way to start changing your diet is to go vegan. So here to show us some of the tastiest vegan recipes on the market is Professor Johanna Sophia. Welcome.
Well, thank you so much for having me. This is so exciting.
It's exciting for us as well. I know I'm seeing a lot on social media about going vegan.
Yes.
And the world that we live in today, everybody is on the go. So how do you go vegan while on the go?
Well, that's why we need to create products that are quick and super tasty, and everybody loves to have them with you. Now, this is a product, it's a dessert. It is sometimes my breakfast. Because
that's wonderful.
Because it is so delicious and it is so nutritious. It is really a meal and a dessert. We have Blueberry Chocolate Mousse.
Stop it. Keep going.
Yes. And it is made out of plants. Of course, everything in a vegan diet would be made of plants. And not only that, it is made out of when plants are the most nutritious, and that is when they are raw or kept under a temperature of 120 degrees. And that's what we're going to put together. Shall we just do it and
absolutely.
taste it?
Let's get started, and we can talk about what are some of the benefits of going raw. And while you put this all together.
Yes. We have blueberries. Blueberries are incredibly high in antioxidants and, of course, vitamin C, and everything that has a color also has vitamin A and E in it. So
so colors matter.
Colors matter a lot.
That's good to know.
This is going to be purplish brown when it's done.
Okay.
Here we have dried, dehydrated apricots and raisins.
And that's sweet. All of this is very sweet, right?
That's the sugar.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the sugar in it, because we don't use any refined sugar here.
And these ingredients are all ingredients we can get at our grocery store, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Preferably organic, but so many supermarkets now carry a whole lot of wonderful natural organic. Here we have nuts, and in this case they are cashew nuts. Most people love cashews. They're not, for many people, they're not the allergy causers either. And here we have the most important. This is raw cacao. And that is, it's really a fruit, and the seeds in the fruit are the so-called cacao beans, and when we dehydrate them under 120 degrees, we get this raw cacao powder, the food highest in antioxidants of all foods ever tested.
Wow.
And of course, it's delicious. We love it.
Yes. So
when you smell it, it smells actually sweet because it's not roasted.
And that's chocolate. It's not chocolate, it's cacao. There's a difference.
Right.
Okay.
Most of the chocolates we have on the market are roasted, and that again has a historical reason because it was easier to transport, has a better shelf life, etc.
All right, let's keep going. What's this?
So this is raw agave juice. So again, it's like a fruit juice, thickened a little bit, and that's just to give it that extra kick of sweetness.
Okay, and it's agave, so it's, I've used agave in replacement for like syrup and things like that.
Right.
Okay.
And this is just the raw version.
Okay.
So it has more of its original vitamins. Yes. So as you can see, Johanna's raw foods is my expertise, and I make super delicious everything because I just don't like bland food.
I love that, and that's why you're here. And so what is this?
This is virgin coconut oil.
Ooh.
Of course, when it's cold, and we're in the winter right now, so it's solid, but because we have a strong blender, it will all get smushed up.
All right, now before we run out of time, let's go through real quick these last three.
This is I'm blanking here. This is vanilla essence, and here is a tiny little bit of salt.
A little bit of salt, vanilla, a little bit of salt,
and this is the finished product.
Oh, wonderful. So that's what we'll create.
Yes.
Let's put it on in the blender because I am intrigued. It looks amazing. Blueberries are one of my absolutely favorite.
And we need a little bit of water because we have all this dehydrated material in here. This is a cup of water.
And this is something that we can all be doing at home at night, the night before, so that we can make this breakfast.
And this you can keep in the freezer, and it keeps for, of course, a long time, and you can almost eat it straight out of the freezer.
Oh my gosh. Well,
so this will make a lot of noise.
okay, well, we'll blend that up afterwards because this looks amazing. Can I give it a shot?
Absolutely.
And while I'm trying this, tell us a little bit about why, real quick, why is it so important to eat raw foods?
Well, you see, I had a stroke 17 years ago. I fell over and was almost dead.
Oh my goodness.
And when I came to, I decided this can never happen again. I must find out how I can live the healthiest ever, ever, ever.
And you changed your life.
I created a lifestyle that is super healthy. I'm 66. I can do splits. I can run half marathons. And I teach other people how to do it.
We want to live just like you. We'll make sure the information is on our screen. Professor Johanna, thank you so much for coming in today. And this is absolutely amazing. Thank you.
Thank you. Awesome.